What's up, gang? It's your boy Josh here again with another video. If you don't know me yet, my name is Joshua. What do I do here? I drop content, mainly day in the life and any other educational content. And if that's the sort of content you are interested in, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Another day in the life video. And today is Wednesday, day 3 or 5. Wednesday, mid of the week. And yes, we've been seeing some good analysis, but then XAUSD have extremely been wild, guys. Anyway, we'll head to the charts and I'll show you guys everything you guys need to see on XAUSD. And also, I've also been trading other pairs like USD CHF, NZD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, other pairs generally. And yeah, they've been giving me some really nice setups and I'll be able to trade them, but I don't consistently see setups on those pair as much as I do on XAUSD. Why? Because I mainly trade the 5 minutes to 1 minute on XAUSD. I scalp XAUSD, while for other pairs I day trade them. So that's basically it, fam. Let me just head straight to the system and show you guys everything. This trade on CRV USDT. I trade crypto if you don't know, and this year we're up about 45%. Although market reversed to the downside, I was able to take partials at 40% before the full reversal. And yes, on XAUSD, honestly, there've been no setup. It's as if market is an uptrend, but then everyone is just saying that it's kind of consolidating in an uptrend, right? So let's just maybe wait for a breakout. Probably I'm expecting a sell breakout today, and then maybe a retest and then a continuation to the downside. But then if that doesn't happen, we just retest and price just keeps doing what he wants to do. Although I don't trade on Fridays, so probably I will only trade the retest. That's tomorrow, Thursday. So today I don't think I'll be trading. But anyway, I have to make this video, and yeah, thank you guys for your support, and God bless you. So guys, without further ado, let me just head straight into the system and show you guys what XAUSD have mainly been doing and the setup has been have been looking for like since yesterday evening. So yeah, straight in. So here's the chart on XAUSD, and the first thing we'll notice is yes, the price is actually pointing in an upward direction. Alright, of course we are moving upward. Although it's not steep, this is a very gentle slope, but then I'll prefer if it's steep because volatility will be way more than anyway. So we trade this pair mainly because of volatility, so that is mainly the volatility we all are looking for. Alright fam, but then if we just look towards last week, this was Monday, this large from I think this point to this point was about Monday, and then Tuesday and today Wednesday nothing has really happened. All right, so it's a very weird week for me though. But then last week we had this drop on XAUSD, so we had this drop all the way to the downside, and of course the previous week we had this sort of a little range between at least this zone and this zone right here. But then price later broke above it, opening of last week, and crushed it above. So you can see the difference with what's going on here. Look how steep this slope is compared to what we have here. So anyway, there's no setup. I'm not actually seeing a setup. I've been seeing setups, but then I will recommend entry trades like this. So I still prefer the volatility on XAUSD compared to when XAUSD is actually moving really sluggish and slow. And
so morning farm is presently 7:20 a.m. 31st of July. I'm just increase the brightness a bit. I woke up like 20 minutes ago and I saw a setup on CRV USDT. Apparently we're up 30% of my initial deposits, right? And yeah, basically that's it. That's like one thing about being a trader. I've not actually popped up gold charts, but the moment I opened my charts, I saw this setup. I was like, damn, let me take this ASAP. This chart is actually open right now. I was like, alright, let me take this ASAP and boom, quick 30%. I think we should be running more in profits. Get notification from Telegram already. So yeah, money for. So what if I just exited right there? Okay, I took partials on this candle. The lines were reversed when I took partials. Now it's broke. Let's take partials here and hold. Um, why hold? Like why hold again? So I basically just exited. at this point. I took another set of partials here, but then I was thinking, should I not take the full positions? So instead of me to hold, that's already got to my TP target. And yeah, I was like, man, just take that shit. And yeah, that's another thing about being a trader. So
Moments after hopping out of the market, I exited somewhere around here. Instead of targeting this high, targeted this high instead. So immediately after that, price kept pushing upward. So basically, that thought that was like, if I should I have held? Because I don't, honestly, looking at this, I'm like, Madu, more profit. But then, the life of a trader. We go again, far. So far, this is the 1 minute time frame, by the way. So we can see price pushed and pushed above. I wasn't seeing any confirmation to buy, and I said price was going to come down to this level right here before pushing into the buy. Anyway, I don't really have any location. You can see this level is sitting at. There was a breakout here, retest, push upward, and probably there's going to be another retest here to continue to push upward. But if price does a retest here, I'm going to buy directly at this high. So that's basically it. Fine. Let's just see how it goes. So far, you can see where we had our tap right here. I finally adjusted the level, and exactly at that point, that's where we had our tap. Now, I'm expecting along to the upside. Maybe not as far as it is though. I haven't checked where my TP placement will be. But let's just see. For some reason, I feel like I should not enter yet. But, well, we'll enter anyway. It basically meets up with some of our criteria, and yeah, yeah. Anyway, I feel like I should wait a bit. But if I say 1 minute confirmation, I might enter this trade. I might enter this trade with the 1 minute confirmation. So it's building up already. So let's just see what's up. So from as anticipated, at this level, this was where we had this is supply or demand. Which one? Okay, this is supply. It's, buy of supply, sell of demand. So this is the supply. So this is where we had our supply level, and I actually just traced it at the top. I never need to just tap in directly at the top and start going up. Uh, so I will call this a sniper entry because that's not yet played out. Probably if it's gone by 1 to 2, 1 to 3, then we can consider that. But for now, this is what we're saying, right? It's looking weird. The tree is looking weird, like extremely weird. But no problem. We still followed our plan all through. And again, you can see where we had our break of structure just above that, and now I'll pull back into the same level. And now we're expecting a buy after that. So yeah, it meets up with our criteria. And yeah, let's just watch. Let's just watch. A plus setup can still hit SL after all. But anyway, this is already playing out nicely. So far, quick updates on the trade on XAUSD. You can see where we actually had our mark directly right there. Price tapped into it. Although we did get the sniper entry that we wanted, but then price about went above, did all this, and then boom, our sniper entry. I think it is way easier to catch sniper entry on gold than any other pair, gold and some crypto coins. Alright, this not just here, but I dropped this as a signal in my community right here by XAUSD now, same SL, TP open, apply proper risk management. And yeah, basically, this was when I actually updated them about more than 20, like 25 minutes ago. Now, let me just screenshot this. This is above 100 pips, so we're going to be setting break even now. First, let me set break even before I update them. But then, let me just copy this quickly. I mainly copy image instead of download. It's way easier for me to just copy and paste, that kind of thing. But then, it's still going to be saved. So I can still journal the trades. So basically, that's it, fam. That's it. That's it. I might take partials now. So it's above. It's already above 100 pips. Uh, let's see. Let me just show you guys quickly. Right here, that is 100 and you can check it. 114 pips. So guys, yeah, we go again.
Alright, fam. So this was the trade. I could not really get any record or any video done. I think I forgot, or I didn't even get it done at all. But anyway, let me just do this voiceover. So this is the trade right now, right? Not right now, but this is the trade that we took, and so far so good. It has been really going well. This order here is the profits that someone made off the signal. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So far, if you're interested in joining the signal room, it is available for August. Just text me. The link is in description. Text me, and yeah, let's just get on with it, fam. More profits everywhere.